Why don't we use black on shadow? A lot of advice is around not to use black as your shadow, or shadow is not black. I wonder why. Shadow is the absence of light, and the absence of light is black. So why shadow is being the exception? The answer is ambient light. Ambient light is a kind of light that is not directly from the light source. We refer to it as reflected light, bounce light, or indirect lighting. Like the moonlight we get, like why we see details on the shadow, water reflections, or the sky. Sky is the form of ambient light. It has light from the sun, so that's why we have slightly blue shadows outdoor. That is why every material on the surrounding matters if we are going for a realistic painting. Or sometimes you can just ignore all of this if you aim for stylized colorization, and adding colored shadow will add more extra style on your painting. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Please subscribe and have a good day.